Heartburn. Heartburn, also known as acid reflux, is a burning feeling that travels from your throat to your stomach, effectively down your esophagus. The condition can be brought on by overeating, stress, spicy foods, and some fruits, among other things. However, we have a remedy for what can be extremely difficult situation. After drinking a glass of water with 1 tablespoon of baking soda, your symptoms should return relatively quickly. But we should use only 1 tablespoon. If the spoon is big, use half spoon only in 1 glass of water. Then it is comfortable to fix all your problems in the stomach, and heart burning also will be clear. But don't repeat it again and again. Eating over and drinking water sometimes actually it reflects the body. Drinking so much, eating so much, and taking a glass of water with baking soda, that should not be habituated. But if it clears itself, but another side effects will come by that. But at any cost, if urgently happens in such situations, you can use this method to clear your health very well, to keep up your health very well.